Let's take a live look over Providence now. All is calm in the skies, but that won't be the case tomorrow. Let's send it over to Storm Team 10's Nick Russo with a check at the forecast. Hey, Nick.
Hey, Abby. Yeah, we are still tracking a major winter storm on the way for southern New England during the day on Sunday, lasting right through Sunday night. A winter storm warning is in effect for the entire region, where we're expecting upwards of a foot of snow, even a little more than that, especially up towards the Boston area. It's not just here in southern New England that's under this winter storm warning. They stretch all the way back across the Midwest and towards eastern parts of New Mexico and Texas. So this is a large area being impacted by this winter storm. Parts of the Carolinas, Virginia, the deep south seeing an ice storm with this, as that snow will change over to ice for them. Not really concerned about ice here locally, though. That's a little bit of good news. Better to have an all snow event or a mostly snow event, which is what we're expecting across Rhode Island and southeastern Massachusetts. The start time for the snow between 9 a.m. and noon. So those mid to late morning hours, we'll see the first flakes flying across the area. And then as we get towards noontime up towards the Boston area, we'll start to see the snow arriving. But it becomes heavier later in the afternoon. The worst of this expected during the evening hours. We'll talk more about that coming up. Right now, it's cold outside. On our People's Credit Union Skycam from Dry Zone Basement Systems in New Bedford, we're at 9 degrees. Winds are fairly light, so there's not too much of a wind chill out there at the moment. We have low temperatures tonight, dipping back into those single numbers pretty much everywhere. 1 degree for a low in Woonsocket and Gloucester, 5 in Tiverton, 3 in New Bedford, and 3 for Taunton late tonight. The wind chill during the early morning hours, if you're up early around 5 or 6 a.m. to get some last-minute preparations done for the storm, it will feel like it's 2 below around 5 o'clock in the morning for a wind chill. And as we get later into the afternoon, it is going to get a little bit less cold as the snow begins, and it becomes more treacherous to be outdoors during the afternoon hours tomorrow. So those first flakes begin around 10 a.m. and it really picks up during the afternoon hours. After 2 or 3 p.m. in the afternoon is when we're expecting to have the heaviest snow. Snowfall rates could reach up to around 2 inches per hour at the peak of the storm Sunday evening. When you look at our hour-by-hour forecast, here we are at 7 o'clock in the morning. You'll wake up with a cloudy sky across the area. It's going to look like it's about to snow, and then by the late morning hours, we'll get into those snow bands making their way across southern New England. 2:30 in the afternoon, heavier snow making its way across Rhode Island and southeastern Massachusetts. I would not rule out during the peak of this storm between 6 p.m. and 11 o'clock tomorrow night, there could be some thunder snow across the area for a brief time, with some of those heavier bursts of snow making their way across the area. Could also see a mix or change over to sleet, especially towards the south coast, south of Providence, down towards places like North Kingstown, Newport, Wakefield, stretching over to Fairhaven and New Bedford. So that could cut down on the snowfall totals a little bit along the south coast. You get up into Providence County, this is mainly a snow event, and it will even linger during the day on Monday. We'll have some wraparound snow, especially across eastern Massachusetts, where they're going to pick up a few additional inches of snow during the day on Monday. All of this finally ends by Monday night into early on Tuesday across the area. Total snowfall amounts 12 to 18 inches for most of Rhode Island, especially Providence County, Kent County. A little bit less along the south coast, where you get that mixing with sleet, 8 to 12 inches from Westerly to Newport over to New Bedford. And where we have some ocean enhancement across eastern Massachusetts, the Boston metro looking at up to 2 feet of snow out of this storm. So it is going to be a doozy, the biggest winter storm in several winters across southern New England. As we head through next week, no melting to speak of. We'll stay in the 20s for highs, lows back into the single numbers just about every day right through the work week.